Tired of constant spam calls interrupting your day? In this quick guide, I'll show you stop spam calls on Android phones using built-in privacy settings. No extra apps needed, just a few simple tweaks to make your phone smarter and more secure. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your phone or calls app. This is the default app you normally use to make and receive calls. Once the app is open, look for the More option, usually represented by three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it and then select Settings from the drop-down menu to access the call settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Caller ID and Spam Protection. Tap on it to open. In many cases, this feature may be turned off by default depending on your device or region. Now, simply toggle the main switch to turn on Caller ID and Spam Protection. This enables your phone to identify unknown callers and warn you about potential spam or scam calls. For even stronger protection, you can enable the Block Spam and Scam Calls option. Once selected, choose Block All Spam and Scam Calls to ensure that these unwanted calls are automatically prevented from reaching you. Keep in mind, I'm using a Samsung device for this demonstration. If you're using a different Android phone, the exact names or locations of these settings may vary slightly, but the overall process is very similar. By enabling these features, you significantly reduce interruptions from spam callers and enhance your phone's security. It's a quick setup that makes a big difference in your daily mobile experience. That's it. You're now protected from spam calls. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.